32?
It's 34.
Okay. So,
24.
I think 24, yes.
Yes.
So will 16 fit?
Yes.
Yes. So we put a 1. And what does that leave us with?
8.
Excellent. So will 8 fit into 8?
Yes.
Excellent. So that's 1.
It's all going to be the zeros after.
Exactly right. So we've got 3 zeros on the end.
Yeah.
So our 56th decimal into binary should be 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Do we agree?
Yes.
Excellent. So now, what do we do now to turn it into hex?
Slash.
Good. Slash. So now on your table, check to see in binary what 0011 is in hex.
3.
Excellent.
And
now the other one we've got is 1000. What's that?
3, 8.
Excellent. So we've got hex 3, 8. Now we've done decimal to binary to hex. Now we're going to do it the other way around. We're going to do hex to binary to decimal.
Yes.
So we've got hex F1. So look on your grid under F and tell me what F is in binary.
Is it 1111 slash
Excellent.
0001?
Excellent. So actually this way round is easier for us.
Yes.
So on your number 10 for converting F1, in binary under the 128, all we've got to do here is do 1111.
Yes.
And then we look under 1. So what's 1 in binary?
There's nothing in 1. Oh,
So yeah, but we need some zeros because it's binary. So how many zeros do we need?
3 zeros.
Excellent. So we've got 0001. So our hex F1 to binary is 11110001. And now we've got to convert that to decimal. So what we've got to do is add up the switches that are on. Yeah. So we've got to add up 128 and 64 and 32 and 16 and 1. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So 3D, hex 3D.
No, we started off with the hex.
Yeah.
So look at the beginning.
Yeah.
We started off with a hex F1.
Yeah.
And now what we've done, we've converted it into binary, which is 11110001. So now what we've got to do is make that into a decimal number. So we've got to count all the switches that are on.
Oh, 1, 2, 3.
So we've got to add up 128.
5 is
and 64 and 32 and 16 and 1. What? See if you can add all those up. What does it make? So we want a decimal number. So it's going to be a 3-digit number. It's going to be more than 200 at least.
Okay. Wait, let's get my rubber. $241.
You are a star.
Yeah.
Exactly right. Well done. Right, now let's do number 11. So we've got a hex number, again, that we're going to convert to binary and then convert to decimal. So our hex number is 3D. So look in your table. What is 3 hex as a binary number?
0011
Excellent. So, yeah. Whoa. Write that one down.
0011.
Excellent.
Slash.
Now you've got to look under D.
D
so
is 1101.
You're a star. Good.
Now add them together.
Now add them together. So we've got to add up 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1.
61.
You are a star. Absolutely. Your brain must be hurting.
Yeah.
Right. One more. Last one. So the last one is E4.
E4.
Good. So what is hex E as a binary number, as a nibble, as 4 digits?
Hex E4. E equals 1110.
Good. 1110. And now we want 4. So what's 4 as a binary number?
0100.
Excellent. And now, big numbers to add up again. So you've got to add up 128 and 64, which is 192. And then add 32 and 4.
Uh, 228. 228?
Absolutely brilliant.
Yeah.
Absolutely exact.
Yeah,
So, I'm showing you my answers now. So you should have got all of these answers.
it's just blank.
Oh no, refresh it again then.
Yes, hello. Testing.
Okay?
Yeah, I can see. I'm sorry. 010111. Yeah. 011110. Yeah. 00111. 0. Yeah. 1116. Yeah. Yes.
Excellent. Now, I'm going to make your brain hurt even more. Look at this.
Oh no.
Right, draw this grid.
Done.
Excellent. Now, this is going to make your brain hurt. So, what we've got here are some hexadecimal equations, but we're also going to use the decimal numbers that we know.
Yes.
So, either in your head or look at your grid, what is hexadecimal A as a decimal number?
1010.
No, as a decimal number.
Yes. 10.
Good. So we now know this sum says 10 plus something equals C. So what's C? So it's a decimal number.
2.
Excellent. So it's A plus 2 equals C. Perfect. Good. Well done.
I get it
Now let's do the next one. So this one is 6 plus something equals E. So what is E in hex?
8.
You're a star. You're quick at this. Now what's the next one? So what is B as a hexadecimal? What is it in decimal number?
B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
No. B.
B, yes. Something. So we can do.
Look under the hexadecimal column and look at B and tell me what the decimal number is.
7.
Not 7.
How? So B, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know.
So look down your right hand side and if you got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, B, C, D, E, F. Okay?
You want the binary?
No, I want the decimal number. So
7.
you remember you told me that A was 10 in a decimal number. So what is hex
11.
B? Exactly right. So now look back at your question.
11.
So we know that B is 11. So now we know something plus 4 equals 11. So what's the answer? Something plus 4 equals B.
Wait, 11.
Yeah, so B is 11. So something plus 4 equals B. So we need to do 11 minus 4, and we've got the answer.
7.
Excellent. So 7 plus 4 equals B. Exactly right. Well done. Now we've got the next one. So here you actually need a hexadecimal plus 3 equals F. So what is F as a decimal number?
15.
15. So we want something plus 3 equals 15. So in our decimal heads, what number do we actually want?
12.
Something. We want 12. Now, what is hexadecimal for 12?
C.
C. Excellent. So it's C plus 3 equals F. Right. One more. 2 plus something equals 9.
7.
Exactly right. Well done.
Yes.
Now, can you see my answers? I'm a bit worried that when I
Yes.
go... Yeah, good. Excellent. Have you got all those?
Yes.
Excellent. You're a star. So, do you remember why people use hexadecimal numbers?
Yeah. So you can find the numbers of the colors or. Yeah.
Yes. So it's easier for us when we're trying to program to actually use hexadecimal numbers because it's very hard to remember all the binary. Now, can you still see my screen?
Yes.
Good. These are hexadecimal numbers. So when you use hexadecimal numbers, you always put the hash in front of it.
Yeah.
And do you remember we talked about the FF?
Yes.
So the F is the highest hexadecimal number that you can have.
Yes.
So the FF is as bright a colour as you can have, and the 00 is the least amount of colour that you can have. So when we do hexadecimal colours, they're a mix of red, green, and blue. So have you ever seen these numbers like this?
Yeah.
So have you used this when you did HTML?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so this colour picker, you choose the colour that you want, but can you see in the middle of my screen it says FFFF00?
Yes.
So what do you know now? That is what sort of number is it? A hexadecimal number, exactly right, well done. And that is how we use them. So the last one on the screen now, can you see the top one where I've got the background colour as yellow?
Yeah.
And that only gives me one colour. So as you get better with these hexadecimal numbers, if you actually use the hexadecimal number, you can have more variety in your colour. So instead of using yellow, you could use hash FFFF00.
Yes.
You've done really well today.
Thank you.
Excellent, well done. Go away and then your head won't hurt anymore.
Thank you.
See you next week.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.